Hey everyone, do you want to keep your work, personal, or school browsing completely separate in Firefox instead of always logging in and out? Firefox lets us create multiple browser profiles. Each profile acts like its own browser, with separate bookmarks, history, extensions, and saved logins. Today, we will show you how to create and use multiple Firefox browsers so you can stay organized and productive. The reason for creating multiple Firefox profiles is to keep different parts of our online life separate and secure. With multiple profiles, we can use one browser setup for work, another for personal use, and another for testing or family. This helps prevent account mix-ups, cuts down on distractions, improves privacy, and lets us customize each profile with its own extensions and settings. Learning to manage multiple profiles makes Firefox more flexible and better for our daily needs. Now, let's get started. We will show you how to create multiple profiles in your browser. First, we open your Firefox browsers. We go to your settings. We click the menu icon or your profile icon. Here, you can manage profiles. You can make a new profile by clicking Create Profile. A pop-up window will appear. For example, let's make a work profile. You can pick a theme you like, green, blue, or you can look at more themes. When you finish editing, just click Done Editing. Now, this is your workflow. To open it, close all your browsers, and when you open Firefox, you can choose which profile you want to use, your personal or your work profile. If you want more profiles, just click Add More to add another profile, like for your school. Or if you need another for work, just create it again and click Done Editing. When you're done, you can set the name. Let's call it Work Number 2. You can make as many profiles as you need. Before opening Firefox, you will now have to choose which profile you will use. You can also customize them with avatars and set up your profiles any way you want. That's how we create multiple Firefox browsers using profiles. Once your profiles are ready, you can easily switch between them or even open them at the same time. This simple feature can really help keep your browsing organized and efficient.